Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Mariiiii, also known as MariiiBajariii here on YouTube. Hello, welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look right here. And I'm not gonna lie, I filmed 3 times to get a New Year's Eve makeup look, and finally I'm happy with one. If you guys would like to see how I got this makeup look, I suggest you keep on watching. But before we start this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every single time that I post. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Alright guys, so going into my James Charles palette, I'm going to take this shade right here using my Morphe M441 brush. Okay, so I'm going to go back into the James Charles palette and take these 2 dark shades right here to darken up the outer corner. Alright, so I was a little iffy about this part, but since I did it for this eye, I'm going to do it to this eye anyways. I don't think you need to cut the crease, but I had a different vision and I didn't need to cut the crease, but you can still see that I cut the crease. So we're going to cut the crease. Oh jeez, said that a lot. So I'm going to take my Born This Way concealer and my Real Techniques detailer brush to cut my crease. And I have like leftover powder on this brush, so I'm just gonna pat that on top. Anyways, that was not necessary, but I like to do that. So I'm going to take my Friendcation palette and take this beautiful blue shade right here. And first I'm just gonna go in with my finger and pack that all over the lid. And then I'm gonna go in with the flat eyeshadow brush and just start packing more of the blue shadow all over, just because my finger couldn't reach the inner corner part, so I'm using the brush. And then now that we have the blue shadow on, I'm gonna go in and like darken it up a little more because the blue is really powering. Okay, so now it is time to apply some lashes. So of course, I'm using my Bajariiii Insta-Ho lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and apply those off camera and I'll be right back. I feel like I look really dark right now because like my hair looks dark, my shirt. We're about to bring some life into the face. These clips just keep freaking falling, so whatever. So I'm going to prime my face using my Farsali Unicorn Essence Primer. And we're just going to put that all over. Okay, so for my face, I'm not going to be using a foundation, but I'm gonna use something that works as foundation. So I have been going through my Born This Way concealers like crazy because my go-to thing is to put this all over my face. So literally every day, like this is my go-to face. So I'll put my Born This Way concealer all over and I'll also conceal under my eyes. So I'm going to be doing that for this video because this, I love it so much. This is my 3rd one this year. Like, can you believe that? I've never went through concealers like that in my life. So we're just going to put this all over the face. And I'm just going to take my Sonia Kashuk beauty sponge to blend it all out. Alright, so I had to change my shirt because I was getting makeup all over it. And the black was kind of throwing me off because I felt like I looked so freaking pale and dark. So I think the pink kind of helped me out a little bit. Alright guys, so now that my foundation base concealer is all on, it is time to set the entire face. So I recently picked up this Lancome Long Time No Shine powder. I heard it's really good, so I wanted to give it a try. The container is really big, like compared to my Laura Mercier powder, it gives a lot more, and this is my baby. So we'll see how this goes. Oh, it comes with a little puff puff. So I usually set it with my beauty sponge, so I'm going to take a little bit on the sponge and just pat it under. So now for the rest of my face, I'm gonna take the little Lancome puff thingy and just start putting the powder all over. Okay, so now for bronzer, of course, I'm going to be using my, hold on, actually I want to say this powder makes my skin look so freaking nice. So now for bronzer, of course, I'm going to be using my Benefit Hula Bronzer. This is just a little mini one, and we're going to bronze and contour the face. So now for the blush, of course, I'm going to be using my Sigma Cor de Rosa blush. So before we put some highlight, I'm going to go ahead and set my face using my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So I'm going to use two highlighters today. I'm going to use my MAC Oh Darling. I'm going to be using my MAC Oh Darling highlight, and on top of that, I'm going to be using the Supreme Frost Wet Dreams highlight by Jeffree Star, and I'm using my Morphe fan brush to apply that. You guys, the other day I dropped this and it stayed in one piece. How? I don't know. You really want to be glowing on New Year's Eve. So now it's time to smoke out the lower lash line, and I'm gonna go back into the James Charles palette and again take every single shadow that I used in my crease. So this one, and that one, and I'm going to be using my Luxie 111 mini flat angled brush to smoke out the lower lash line. Now to highlight my inner corner, I'm going to go in with, I think this is Ring Light, and apply that to highlight the inner corner. And I'm using my Morphe M515 brush to do so. Okay, so now, last but not least, for the eyes, time to put on some mascara. I'm going to be using my Benefit They're Real mascara to apply on my lower lash line and just a little bit on my lashes. So now for the lips, I'm just going to do my go-to nude lip combo, which is my Morphe Spiffy lip liner, and then on top of that, I put my Joseph Colors My Main liquid satin lipstick. Alright guys, so this is the complete finished Gustavo done makeup look. Alright guys, so that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you would like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my Angels channel, which is M&A Forever Ever. And when you subscribe, don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you're notified every single time your girl posts. Okay? Stay blooming, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!
dance,